Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Rajesh Kumar Singh. I am Rajesh Kumar Singh. I am representing Shahdol. Yeah, I am representing Ashok Bhargav, my district collector. So we are here with the vision. I just want to read it out, or you can just have a look on it. ICT projects implementation in Shahdol. So we will start with the NIRUD, which means the cure. It is not the common HMIS. It is HMIS. It is the combination of HMIS and public health awareness system. E-Budhar. It is a pilot testing for our you can say E-Budhar E-block system, which is the pilot block for Shahdol district. Janpat Sanchar, which is a video conference and IT-enabled monitoring system at district level. All this initiative which we have done at district level with our own resources. This is not the copy of the, you can say, centralized or state funds. Niruj, the cure. The key issues which we address with this implementation of system. First, addressing the rising hospital cost. Wait a minute, it's not working. Oh, okay. Addressing the rising hospital management cost. This is the some key statistics that after implementation of this system, we have done the X-ray, the normal X-ray converted into a digital X-ray. Before implementation of this system, the usual cost of printing X-ray was 10 to 12 lakhs per year. Now we have reduced to 1 to 2 lakhs because all the system converted into digital. Every doctor is having their LCD on their system, so there is no need to print that X-ray on the daily basis. If any patient want to take advice outside the hospital, or if he want to take for some medical legal cases, then only he needs to take printout of that X-ray. Elsewise, we are having in our district only. No, no, sir. We will show you the picture how it's look on the actual system. Then the system is the medicine. The major problem we were facing at our district that there is a lot of expiry and lot of, you can say, leakage in the system. So we had converted the normal drug delivery system into barcode-based system. So we are, you can say, preventing the leakages in line. We are having a separate module for that. We will show it to you. So this is the estimated total saving per year for 2014-15 because we implemented system this year only. So we are just saying is estimated. So it is 15 to 20 lakhs per year for this. Next, the introducing patient-friendly initiatives. So this is the time motion study which we have done for this year. Like at the time of OPD, when the patient is coming to hospital, if he is coming at between 9 to 10 p.m., before the implementation of this system, it was taking 6 minutes from the It was taking 6 minutes for a patient to get it registered and to reach the doctor. But after the implementation of this system, at the various level, at the 9 to 10 a.m., the you can say crowd is lesser. 10 to 11 and 11 to 12, the crowd is really high in a number. So there is a significant decrease in the time when the patient gets registered at the hospital at the district level, and when it reaches to the patient, you can say for the prescription or to the doctor, it is reduced. Then this is the module why we are saying it's not a normal HMIS. We have converted into a public health awareness system. What we are doing, the patient who are getting registered at district level, we are training them in a basic healthcare management system, or what we would say packages. We are training them what is the need of hygiene and what, and we are taking database of all the people to whom we are training at the district level. After the training, when they went to their respective places, and at the time of any disease outbreak, we just send them a voice SMS, like there is a malaria outbreak in particular block of our district. We send them a voice-based SMS that there is an outbreak of malaria or diarrhea in your area. You need to take these all precautions. So from the starting of the system, we have covered we trained 4,300 persons in the remote areas for the basic health management system. Or we piloted the system during this rainy season, and we got a tremendous response from the system.
Rajesh, is there any final thing you want to say?
There is a lot of things, sir.
Give me the one big thing.
They actually said half of the level.
So say one thing, right?
As I
that one thing you want to tell.
As I mentioned, that there is a lot of district initiatives are going on, and this is not the normal HMI hospital management information system. It is basically for the public benefit of the public, like the blood management system, which I am going to show.
So you already talked about the health management system.
There is
There is
another application.
You just have 1 minute.
So you need to move to the other.
Just if we go through all these slides, like biometric-based attendance system we had to introduce into the. Yeah, just run through the blood monitoring system. We are displaying all the availability of blood at the block at the hospital level on the public domain or for the public, so they can know what is the availability of the blood, the codification of the medicine, and the expiry date and the stock availability we had mentioned. In this, there is a module we can predict what is the quantity of drugs available with us and what is the estimated time to complete them. The linkage with the government beneficiary schemes at the in the morning, as we are saying, we need to converge all these schemes. There are all are the other schemes which is running parallelly to this, and we are converted to this through the our what you can say hospital-based HMIS. So there is no overlapping with that, and we are converging. If a patient is entitled for 20,000 benefit, so we can track down by this software how much benefits it has been availed. Digitization of medical records, that is the common, you can understand. Digital access, the resolution things that you are asking, you can see, sir. Yeah. And the emergency duty management system, which we are saying, before implementation of this system, there was a lot of problem that doctors are not coming on the time. So we had done the voice recording with the particular time on the particular date. If the doctor has picked up the call, so we can track down if he is coming on time or not.
Your time is up.